Hello everyone, how are you all? Hi, I'm Aditi Parekh from Countryside International School. I'm Learning Planet Educator from pre-primary section. Today we are going to have a craft session of making this rabbit puppet. Hope you will enjoy it. So let's get started. For making this puppet, we will require basic material which you can easily find from your home. We can use any kind of paper. I have this white paper, so I'm using it. If you don't have any such paper, you can even use newspaper. After that, we'll need a scissor, fabric, pencil, eraser, some color pens and few cutouts. Right? So let's get started. First of all, we will need this paper and we are going to make a very small fold from one side. You can take a margin of about 1 inch like this. Now on this fold we will apply glue. I have fabric, so I'm using it. If you don't have fabric, you can use Fevicol or fabric glue, anything you have. So I have applied glue on this side and now I will cover this part with the other side this way. Make sure that the edges should match. Now press this side very neatly. So you will get this type of hole. So now by the time it gets dry, we will learn how we can make some cutouts. So here I have a paper on which I have made few cutouts. Like this is a tongue, teeth, eyes, outer side of ears, and this is inner side of ears. Because I was having a little bit pink paper, I took it and I made the cutouts from that. So I'm going to use it. First of all, I take ears. I'll apply a little bit glue and attach the smaller part on it. So my ears are ready. Now these are the teeth and eyes, and we are going to attach all the cutouts to this paper. Now we will fold this paper in half. This way. And now we'll take the upper part and we'll fold this upper part to the outer side this way, and then we will reverse the paper and we'll do the same to the other side. After doing this step, your paper should look like this. Okay, so now we are ready with the base of the puppet and we are going to attach the cutouts here. First of all, I'm taking eyes. I'll apply glue and stick the eyes. Now I'm going to take ears attach it. This way. Now it's the time for tongue. Apply glue and you can stick it inside the mouth like this. Now I have the teeth and from upper side I have made a little fold. Now on this fold I'm going to apply a little bit glue and I'll just attach it in between the eyes like this. So my friends, our puppet is ready. Haha, haha. I'm Mr. Rabbit. I'm Mr. Rabbit. Hi, hello. So I hope you like the session. Have a good time. Bye bye. Thank you.